So here we go. Quick little freak chef slash road trip hotel cooking thing got coming at you. So yeah, raw meat in a hotel fridge never works great unless it's completely sealed. And we are going to do a quick little thing. Now I'm actually going to make this entire thing of bacon because one thing about containing raw meat in any refrigerator like this, especially when it comes to pork or chicken, is it doesn't always work well and you fucking die as fuck. So what I'm doing is got my little R2D2 grill set up and we're gonna bust this pack of bacon open and we're gonna get it on my little R2D2 grill out there. There we go, there's a little open spot right there. Hell yeah. And I'm gonna show you a little bacon hack for flat top to keep it as clean as possible since we're storing it in a room. Of course, I have a microwave. I can always put it in there. Bacon doesn't do too bad in a microwave. I don't mind it, but it's going to stink as fuck. And it's going to be a pain in the ass to clean up. So, we don't want to smell bacon for the next 4 days until it finally gets out of the air. So, out we go to our grill. Hell yeah. Alright, so as always, if we're going to be playing with a fucking grill and fire and shit, gotta make sure you drink some shit before you cook some shit to eat some fucking shit. So that's just the way we cook. So let's get this fucker lit. Here's my little hotel bacon hack so that the room doesn't smell like fucking shit when you want to sleep in it. Of course, we're bringing back the R2D2 grill for this one. And we also want to keep it kind of clean. It's a pain in the ass doing dishes in the bathtub because the sink's not big enough. So, gloves as fuck. I also got my sanitizing wipes as shit. And we're gonna have some fucking fun as fuck. So, we're gonna get our fucking shit heated up and keep this as clean as possible. We're gonna do this in foil. So, of course, my heavy duty fucking foil as fuck. And then we are gonna tear this fucker open. So, what I'm doing is I'm layering it in the foil just so that, and I'm cooking this whole fucking thing because we don't want any raw open food in the fridge to contaminate our beer, because fucking beer's supposed to contaminate our fuck. So we're just gonna layer this thing right in there. Got a little garbage bag of shit, and we're gonna want to kind of spread it out somewhat. So just taking a couple pieces and turning it over onto the other, making a little zigzag like that, kind of, just to kind of separate it a little bit. Bring it ahead, fold it around, give it a roll, fold that side in, get rid of this shit. We're gonna get some more foil and make sure that shit seals good as fuck. Once you have that sealed good as fuck, we're done with that shit. A little disinfectant wipe. Use to wipe your fucking hands, people. It's raw fucking meat. Now we just let that heat up. Drop the heat onto low, actually. It's not gonna take much. Do have a couple layers on. Make sure shit's fucking lit. Close the lid, and then you get more of this shit, and we check in with it in 5 fucking minutes. All right, so it's been about maybe 5 minutes. One more sheet of foil here. We're gonna do a quick turn. Now we're doing it this way to make sure that we don't get any grease all over the rest of everything else. So again, it's just gonna contain it. It's gonna flip over. We're gonna close the lid for another maybe 2-3 minutes before we kill the gas. Once you kill the gas, you're gonna keep the lid closed. In the meantime, I'm gonna take out the trash. All the trash except for my fucking self. Fuck yeah. So, I'll get this bag out of here and we'll check back in on this. Alright guys, so the next part of this shit is, obviously we opened it up. Even though it's actually a temperature, it's not crispy. Now, here's why. It smells great, and technically it's done, but that's because it's probably at 160, 65 degrees. 150 is what you need. Actually, I can just smell a quick bacon myth for you, but that's for another video. Bacon is actually cooked, and you could probably eat it raw, but I would definitely double check the source. Now, the reason why this isn't crispy, but yet it looks raw, but it's actually done, is because of all the steam that's built up in the foil. Now remember, we did a big batch, we just kind of shoved it in there. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of pulling it apart a little bit. And this is the part where it's going to start getting crisp now that we open up some of the foil. So that's going to let the steam come out, and we're going to separate some of these pieces. And it's okay if they're laying on top of each other. Probably going to trim down some of the foil action going here, because fuck my shit, that's a lot of foil. And it was mostly just to contain a lot of the grease that was going on. So we're going to go ahead and just chop at this thing. Grab as much as we can. And the whole point of this was to preserve not just the sanitation in our fridge when it comes to having raw meat in there, but to keep our grill clean. So, and that's just a bunch of hot grease that I just put my hand in. I guess that's why they call me fucking pain freak as fuck. But we're gonna take this, and good thing we got another garbage bag. We took all the trash out except for myself. Fuck my shit. And we'll go ahead and spread this out and let it get crisp with our heat on and the foil catching all the grease. We'll check back in on this in about 10 minuets, as they say in the concert band world. Fuck it. Fold that in. So we open up the foil, cracked open another fucking beer. So we open foil, open beer, open grill, and hope this shit gets crispy as fuck. So we'll see how this turns out. It's probably gonna be another cigarette, another beer, another burn to the fucking foot while this shit cooks. Because I like crispy bacon. And we're getting there. So we're gonna hurry up and get some of this shit off of the hots, like some of that. Fuck. It's going so fast. We gotta get this crispy shit out of the grease, because that's gonna start burning. And you know me and my blue towels. So, see, like some of that's getting overdone. Some of the stuff on the top hasn't quite got to where I want it to be to make it crispy. But hey, actually, fuck it. I think all this is pretty much done. So, oil and drain it. Get some of that separated. Actually, fuck it. Just get it in the grease. It'll be fine. I'm trying to be very careful not to puncture that foil with these tongs. Sharp as a fucking prick. But those will have another couple minutes. Some of this is really crispy. Some of that is perfect. But at least we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and just kill the heat. Let the residual heat just kind of take over from there. And then, fuck it. But then we'll have plenty of bacon for a dish we're gonna do tomorrow, and that's all done. So we don't have to worry about much prep. Oh, and guess what? We got to check on our party lemon that's in the microwave. Fuck yeah. So we're gonna let this cool off while we eat a plate of fucking bacon. But we gotta remember to save some for tomorrow. Fuck my shit. Don't forget your beer. Cause our fucking bacon is ready. Fuck yeah. I'm very excited about. Fuck my shit. Dude, we're not even gonna use like fucking forks and shit. We're just gonna eat our fucking dirty trash fingers. Okay. Definitely got fucking crispy. Fuck. Fuck my shit. Fuck yeah. Trash ass fucking grilled ass pecans. Fuck my shit. Fuck it. Well, it was an experiment, but it fucking worked. It's good as fuck. Fuck yeah. Anyway, love you guys. For more videos, follow my links on the bottom of the screen. Don't follow Bacon. Follow me, painfreakofficial.com. And thanks for subscribing. Thank you for all your support. And love you guys. I'm going to eat now.